Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see collection or list in Python programming. A collection or list allows us to store multiple values in a single variable in Python programming. That is the main advantage of list or collection variable. In other programming, it is also called as array. Here also, it is very similar to array. The methods and declaration will be slightly different from other programming languages. Apart from that, the indexing, memory usage are almost very similar to other programming. If I wanted to iterate the the list variable using for, then we can make use of for and in statements with it. So let's say I have an array and I wanted to iterate and display each and every element in an array. Then we can make use of for and in statements. Let's take this example here at line number 5 to line number 7. I have declared fruits as a collection variable where I have apple, banana and grapes, and then I'm using for and in statements to iterate it and print the value. So let's see this. So it printed all the values in my fruits array. So if you have a requirement where you want to iterate the list or collection variable, then we can make use of for and in statements. Next important thing is lists in Python programming are mutable. It means that we can change the values in it. Let's take the similar example. Until here we have seen it. We have declared fruits list variable and then we iterated and then we displayed it. Now I wanted to change grapes to orange. In order to do that, we can use fruits of index 2 equal to orange. So apple is in 0th index, banana is in first index, and grapes is in second index. So I'm using fruits of 2 equal to orange. So it will go and change to apple, banana and grapes. So let's see how it works. Yeah, I'm running my code. So first it displayed apple, banana and grapes. Next it changed grapes to orange and it displayed apple, banana and orange. So list variables are mutable in Python programming. It means that we can change the values using the index value. Next we are going to see len method. Len method can be used to find the number of items in the list. The same len method we used it for string also. If you pass a list variable, then it will display what is the number of items in the list. If you pass a string, then it will display what is the length of the string. So let's run this program. So it is displaying 3 because in my list variable I have 3 values in it or 3 items in it. Okay, next range. Range method can be used with len to find the index range of the list. Let me show this example so that we can easily understand it. It will show what is the range for my list variable. So here my range is 0 to 3. So we can find the range of the list on or an array using range method. Next, If I wanted to declare a list variable, then I can make use of this list constructor, or you can say that as a class. Using this list constructor, I can declare a list variable in Python programming. If I wanted to add values to it, then I can make use of append. So in runtime, if you wanted to add some values to your list variable, then you can make use of append. So let's see this example. I declared fruits as a list variable, and using append method, I appended apple, banana, and grapes. And finally, I'm displaying fruits. So this should be an array. So it declared fruits as a list variable, and then it added three items to it, and then it displayed the array. Next, we are going to see sort method. Sort method in Python programming is used to sort the items in an array or list variable. Let's see this example. So I have declared grapes, banana, and apple to my list, and I'm printing it before sorting, and after printing it, I'm using sort method to sort it. Once this is sorted, it will print after sorting, and then and then it will display the fruits, the items in my array. So initially it will be grapes, banana, and apple. After sorting, it should be apple, banana, and grapes. Let's see it. See, grapes, banana, and apple, and next it is apple, banana, and grapes. Next we have max, min, and sum methods. Using these methods, we can find maximum, minimum, and sum of all the values in an array or list variable. Let's see this example. So I am declaring sample numbers as a list variable, and then I'm adding 3, 1, and 2. The max, using max method, I can display the maximum. So the maximum should be 3, minimum should be 1, and sum should be 6. Let's see the example. So maximum is 3, minimum is 1, sum is 6. So we can easily find out maximum, minimum, and sum using max, min, and sum methods. Next, we are going to see split method. Split method in Salesforce can be used to split the text using a delimiter. Very important thing to notice, if the delimiter is not mentioned, it makes use of blank space or the white space as the default delimiter. Let's see this example. So I'm going to ask to enter a statement. Once it is entered, it is splitting that, and I'm not uh, using any delimiter. So the default delimiter is space, so it should split all the words in it based on the space or the blank space or white space, and then it will convert that into an array, and using for an in statement, I'm displaying one by one. So let's see this example. So enter a statement. So what happened was, this I am from infallible techie was stored in str content. Using list contents variable, I'm getting these information in an array since I'm using str content.split. Since I'm using split method, sorry, the split method will convert the string into an array. Since I'm not using any delimiter, it took blank space or white space as the default delimiter, and then it splitted the string using white space or blank space. And then using for and in statement, I am displaying the contents inside the list contents list variable one by one. Let's see the same split example with the delimiter. So I'm asking to enter a text with the colon as a delimiter, and then using split method I'm passing the colon as the delimiter. So since I'm passing colon as the delimiter, it will split any string which has a colon in it. So let's see this example. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, testing. So since I am using colon in the string, it splitted the string with the help of split method, and since colon is used as the delimiter, it splitted based on the colon between the string, and then it converted those values into a string into a list, and then using for and in statements I am displaying each and every content in the list. We talked about collection or list variable in Python programming. We know how to iterate using for and in statements. We saw about len method, range, list method, which is a constructor, sort method, and we also saw about max, min, and sum methods, and finally we also saw split method. These methods will be very helpful when we work on a real-time project. Mostly we will be extracting pattern, like let's say they are entering any social service number or anything like that, and our phone number, and then if you wanted to get the area code, if you wanted to find the last 4 digit of an SSN. So for all those things we can make use of these methods, and then we can easily achieve our requirements. Please check the video description. In the video description I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to see the sample code which we referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.